Today was not a good day. I lost $1,200 making a really dumb mistake, a mistake that I could have completely avoided. So last Friday, I put in an order to buy Ethereum ETF, the iShares Spot Ethereum ETF, which is ETHA. Doesn't matter what the ticker symbol is. It's collecting my thoughts because I'm really upset. I'm mad. I put in an order and forgot about that order and duplicated the order. Well, they both executed on Friday. Then the next day, I find out that I own 500 shares of this ETF. Over the weekend, the prices for Bitcoin, Ethereum are both falling. And then on Monday, everything's painted red. The markets are bleeding red. Bitcoin's going down. Somehow everything is minus. And so with 500 shares of this ETF, normally I don't mind because I did find pretty good low buy prices for it. $23.10. The market closed at $20.80. I don't mind a $600 paper loss, but a $1,200 paper loss because I made a dumb mistake like that. That part really bothers me. And with that other 250 shares that I shouldn't have bought, I could have averaged that dollar cost, averaged that at $20.50. I think that's how far the price fell down today before it picked back up by the closing of the market. I could have averaged 23.10 plus 20.50 dollar cost average in that way. But now that I've pretty much put all my money that I wanted to trade in this one position, now I have to wait out a longer period of time for that recovery. I have no doubt that it's going to recover. It's just that I have a bigger loss and I can't dollar cost average and speed up that recovery time. Is it just me, guys? Have you experienced the same thing? Put in an order twice, forgot about the first one, and they both execute and they're both at a minus. So I'm thinking, what if I did the same thing and I doubled the profits? They both went up. That would have been nice, amazing. I wouldn't have made this video, but I just had to put it out there because it was just such a foolish mistake. Always double check. Mental note to myself. Always double check. To be honest, I don't like to linger around too long when I place an order. I do double check the order, but I should also double check the order history, the list of active orders that are open. Reason why I don't like to stick around too long after placing the order is because it's like shopping. You go to the mall, and the longer you stay in there, there's always something else that you want to buy, especially if it's on discount. And I love discounts. But these days, I already have put my 20% trading money aside and used it to hold on to short-term positions. The rest of it is for long-term buy and holds. And so I don't want to be trying to put more money into short-term trades and instead stick with the long-term trading. Now, of course, my brain is just telling me it'll be fine, it'll be okay because, it's the holiday season. Usually we have this Santa Claus rally in December. And of course, we have the rate cuts at a higher probability of rate cuts from 50 to 80. So with rate cuts plus the Feds are tightening I'm sorry, not tightening. They will be ending QT, so they will be ending that quantitative tightening, which will hopefully put more money into stocks and higher risk assets like cryptocurrencies. And so I'm telling myself it will be okay with all of these positive catalysts that should be lifting the markets, including all the cryptocurrencies out there. Do you see? This is just how my brain works. It's me just trying to stay positive. And I guess that's a good thing. But I also have to be more careful next time and just to double check everything and to make sure that I don't make the same mistake. I know it will happen again. This is not the first time. And thankfully, it's not a really high price stock like Meta, for example, Microsoft. These are lower price stocks. I thought I would just share this with you guys. Hopefully, sharing my experience today will somehow help you avoid making the same mistake. If you found my video at all helpful, go ahead and feel free to subscribe for future tips on my next upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.